Hey guys, it's George from Florida Parks After Dark. Well, we found something we didn't expect here in Ponciana. It's a Disney Wilderness Preserve. It's an 11,500 acre nature preserve between a joint venture with Walt Disney World and the Nature Conservancy. This is Orlando before the developers. We've never been here. This is a find we just found at 2700 Scrub J Trail. Let's go see what we got to see. So we're going to drive in and take a look. Now, here's the hours. 9 to 4:30, Monday through Saturday. No pets allowed, closed on major holidays. But guess what? It's not a major holiday. So let's get going. As soon as you make the turn, man, it is obvious. This is just not where I drove to get here. Overcrowded roads and narrow roads, but now, boom, we're just in paradise. So we're just going to drive and check this out together. From what I understand, there's walking trails, and there's obviously a welcome center we'll go to, and it just sits back. I mean, and those who know, 11,500 acres is a huge piece of land. So it really is a big area to explore. Just wow. Now we're gonna do the quick drive-through to kind of orient all of us to this. Maybe at a later date we'll take some time and do one of the walking trails and vlog that whole area. This is just to get us oriented, because wow. And I'm gonna say that again and again, I think, during this little drive. I got a Florida ranching exhibit. We're going to let that go for now. We're going to keep going. So what we have here is a lot of marshlands and just meadows and tree-lined areas that there is not a building in sight. So if you need a break from the parks, you're at the Disney parks, you've done your Disney cruise, you went and did your park, you're exhausted, you're sick of the noise, you're sick of the people, you don't want to have any more french fries, this is a way to get away. It's about 15 miles south of the park. Talking about probably a half-hour drive. You can get out here and really just literally get away from everything. We are in the middle of nowhere, feels like, and yet you're close to everything. That is fantastic. And I'll be honest with you, we've been Disney fanatics for probably 3 decades and have never heard of this place. So this is the Florida Parks After Dark secret we share with you, we found today. Oh, finally got a car coming in. Bet you somebody works here. Welcome Center and Trails. Now there's an Everglades exhibit coming up here on the right. Yeah, we're going to pass that too. I know these are things we want to go see. At the same time, we're just checking it out. Okay, landscape's starting to change, as you can tell. We got a lot more trees coming up. Getting a little bit out of these meadows, a little. There's a lot of offshoots on the roads either way, but that's all just for authorized vehicles, and we are here. Okay, we got to the Welcome Center. Drive all the way straight to the Welcome Center. So, if I were a betting man, oops, sorry guys. If I were a betting man, that's the office. They even have electric charging stations. That's pretty nifty. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and park and see what we can see here. All right, guys, let's take a stroll, you and I. All right, so. All right, we're out of the car now. All right, so we're walking. So there's that office we saw when we were coming in just now. Here's a strange thing. Listen. There's no noise. There's no noise. No car sounds. No park noise. No people. I hear birds squawking in the background, and that is about it. Neat thing, they have a path. A bird path. Interesting. All right, now we won't be able to do all the walks and stuff, but really just want to kind of show you. So here's the sign for it. Little seating area. Look how cool that tree is. It's like you got a whisper here. All right, so trail maps. We'll grab one. Let's just take a peek. Oh, that's neat. Okay. They have a butterfly garden. Very cool. We're not going very far. I just want to get a chance to give you guys a flavor of what this is. Okay, we got to do one thing real quick. Look how awesome that is, right? So guess what we're doing? Ah! That's the view from the bench. And listen for a second while I stop talking. There's no noise. So I want to show you one more thing. Just so you get a sense of what this is. Okay, I think there's a trail. Okay, I know where we're going, guys. Thanks for coming along for the exploration, because I've never been here. This is just really top notch, so. Now here's more rocking chairs. Oh, how nice is this? And look at that. Look at that. And I'm gonna sit in a rocker. Oh yeah. That's just awesome. Okay, so let's take one more small stroll down here. This is one of the paths, and it looks like it's paved. I don't know if it stays paved through the entire walk, but this just gives you a sense of really what it's like. All right, here's the first noise. I got a plane going out to the Orlando International Airport. That's the first noise I've heard. Let's see what comes. Looks like an American. Okay. So here's that water marsh area. All right, this ends the paved part. Now see, the trail continues and it goes to the grassy area. So since this was an impromptu, I do not have my hiking boots on, but as you can tell, it just goes back. And then here is this. Guys, this is George from Florida Practice After Dark. This goes on your must-do list. If you like Disney, if you like nature, if you want to get away and be alone, this is on your have-to-do list in Orlando. It is not that far from the parks. It is worth the drive. I am blown away. I am coming with sneakers next, and I'm taking a hike. But for now, come see it. Take your time, have a great day. Like and subscribe to this video, and we'll keep giving you these secrets, these gems that no one else knows about. Take care, have a great day.